So do you also use JustDial to gather the details of your own leads? Then you are on the right video. In this video, I'll show you how you can add your JustDial leads to your CRM within seconds and no more manual copy pasting. You just have to create the connection between JustDial and your CRM in such a way that whenever you receive a new lead from JustDial, automatically that lead details will be added into your CRM. And to do this, you just need Pabbly Connect. So open the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of lead details for free into your CRM, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. You can use this discount coupon code to get heavy discounts on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And yes, this is the most important window of our automation, which is our workflow window, because we have trigger and action on this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button and search for the trigger application, which is JustDial. For the event, we have to select it as new leads and click on this connect. We're going to receive this webhook URL. So to automate the lead capture, you have to copy the webhook URL and configure it in your JustDial account. And to do this, you have to reach out to your account manager from JustDial, because JustDial portal doesn't have the provision to add the webhook URL on their user interface of their application. Hence, you need to send this webhook URL to your JustDial point of contact or the backend team of JustDial and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account. Once they add this webhook URL in your account, automatically the lead details will be started capturing over here as webhook response. And now you can see we have successfully received the response. You're going to see the phone, name and the email. Now let's add the lead details in our CRM. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Zoho CRM. So I'm using Zoho CRM. You can use any another CRM too. For the event, you have to select it as create contact and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Zoho CRM and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Zoho CRM. It is asking for the domain. So what you have to do is you have to open your Zoho CRM and in the URL you're going to get the domain. Your domain can be anything from below, so just copy the domain, paste it and click on this save. Once you click on this save, Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this accept and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because your data is 100% safe with Pabbly. After doing this, you have to select the lead source right over here. So as you can see, I'm just going to select the lead source as advertisement, and now one by one I'm just going to enter the lead details. But we are not going to enter the lead details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we're going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. And in order to map the detail, just put a slash and then search for the detail which you wish to map and select it. After mapping the details which are required, I'm just going to move in further and click on this save and send test request. If you wish, you can definitely fill out the details which are not required to. It totally depends upon you. Once you're going to click on the save and send test request, you're going to see we have received the positive response that we have successfully created a new contact in Zoho CRM. So let's open our Zoho CRM and we're going to refresh this contact list. Once we're going to refresh this contact list, you're going to see a new contact has been added using the same details. Not only this, now whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from JustDial, automatically a new contact will be added in Zoho CRM, and all of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL in the description box below. You can check it out. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.